Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
What does it cost to advertise on Facebook? How much money do I have to invest to get started? What is a daily budget? Is it work with minimum budgets, lifetime budgets? How does it work? I have companies that I work with that spend $25,000 a day in advertising. And then I have people that I help that they have learned from me that they're doing decent stuff with $5. I mean, for example, like an Amazon seller, I do cover that in some of my training, of course. If you do things correctly, with $5 a day, you can literally be ranking your product and be doing really well on the Amazon platform. That's all. And there's some ninja techniques about that, for sure. You got to know exactly how to do it and what works and what doesn't work. But, you know, as you guys know, those of you that are familiar with the Amazon platform, doing promotions on Amazon, what they call giveaways, generating sales velocity is what causes your organic ranking spike. So when you do things correctly, when people realize also that they have at their within arm's reach, a couple of clicks of a button, they have available so many people that they can actually control to be able to get those guys through those funnels and help you with your ranking. Well, for the Amazon guys that want to get ranked, there isn't anything even closer. Like, I hear people all the time going to, oh, I should try Pinterest, or maybe we should go to Twitter, or I'm gonna go ahead and try Google AdWords, or, you know, maybe I should, like, I don't know, I'm gonna start doing some traditional media mail. And I see all this stuff and I just laugh, because this is the thing, guys. Incredible royal flush of a hand in the game of poker. And when you get that hand, if you guys are familiar with the poker game, that's the best hand that you can ever get. You do not even evaluate whether you go all in or not, no matter how much money you got left, because you know nobody's going to beat you. So the same thing is going on right now. We've been dealt with this incredible social media platform that gives us unlimited people. So if we already have unlimited people and we can get them at incredibly low cost, why do we look elsewhere? For me, that's just, again, obviously it's exciting because I keep seeing that and I see people not being focused, concentrating on where the opportunity is at. I see more and more people getting focused on it, which, but right now is still like at an incredibly cheap price that you can reach so much people. So what is the cost of advertising on Facebook? Well, it depends on what you want to accomplish. What would you like to achieve with your campaign? You can run different campaigns, all kinds of different campaigns. You can have a branding campaign that is going to continue to position you on the eyes of people, in front of them. If you have a brand and you are on e-commerce, and let's say that you're only on Amazon, well, you're not really building a business, because somebody else controls your future. If at some point Amazon changes the rules, you can't go by the same strategies that you were doing successfully. If for some reason you get shut down or whatever it is, and you don't control that, obviously it's not up to you, and you are going to be left naked in the middle of like a desert, not knowing exactly what to do if you didn't do a good job of branding your company, your product, your lines. So that's what happens when you do Facebook advertising. You plant those roots and you plant them wide, and now you control your own destiny.